Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Jira templates for issue types and workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Jira templates for issue types and workflows, begin by logging into your Jira account. Once logged in, navigate to the top menu bar and select the Projects option. From the drop-down menu, choose the specific project you want to create or modify templates for. Once you are inside the project, look for the Project Settings option on the left-hand side panel. Click on Project Settings to access the configuration options for your selected project. In the Settings menu, locate the Issue Types section and click on it. Here, you will see a list of issue types currently used in your project. To add a new issue type template, click on the Add Issue Type button. Fill out the required details for your new issue type, including its name and description. Once you have entered the details, save your changes. Next, return to the Project Settings menu and find the Workflows section. Click on Workflows to view the existing workflows associated with your project. To download a workflow template, select the specific workflow you wish to export. Look for an option that says Export or Download to save the workflow template to your local device. Choose the appropriate file format for your download if prompted. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your device. You can now upload these templates to other Jira projects or modify them as needed. That concludes how to download Jira templates for issue types and workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.